Meaning of effectuate.
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 Effectuate. The term effectuate means to bring something into effect or to make it happen. It is often used in legal or bureaucratic contexts where a decision or action needs to be put into practice. Effectuating something involves taking the necessary steps to ensure that it is implemented and enforced. The result of effectuating a decision or action is that it becomes a reality, with real-world consequences for the people or organizations affected by it. In other words, effectuation is the process of turning an idea into concrete actions that produce tangible results.